We're going back to the moon, but this time we're not just leaving footprints, we're staying. But how do you build a skyscraper on a world with one-sixth gravity, extreme radiation, and zero atmosphere? Welcome to the ultimate civil engineering challenge. The biggest hurdle isn't the distance, it's the logistics. Shipping concrete from Earth would cost billions. That's why engineers are looking at In-Situ Resource Utilization, ISRU. We will use the moon's own soil called regolith. By using giant 3D printers and solar-powered microwaves, we can bake this dust into solid bricks, stronger than Earth's concrete. Structural stability is key. Without an atmosphere, moon bases must withstand internal pressure while shielding inhabitants from cosmic rays. We're talking about inflatable habitats reinforced with regolith concrete layers and titanium frames. It's a hybrid of structural engineering and aerospace science. The moon is just our first construction site in the solar system. If we can build there, we can build anywhere. I'm AstroCiv, and we're here to analyze the blueprints of our future civilization. Subscribe to join the mission.